Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart, where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left we have the SUVCON dash cam, and on the right we have the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dash cam. Get ready for some serious camera action. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite topic, price. The SUVCON dash cam comes in at $199, while the CHENSIVE dash cam is available for just $69.
Now, I don't know about you, but that price difference has me doing a happy dance. You can practically buy 3 CHENSIVE dash cams for the price of one SUVCON.
Talk about a bargain.
Alright, let's dive into the nitty-gritty camera quality.
The SUVCON dash cam boasts a triple camera setup with a 170-degree wide-angle front camera, a 150-degree cabin camera, and a 150-degree waterproof rear camera.
That's some serious all-around protection.
Plus, it features an IPS panel for crystal clear viewing from any angle. On the other hand, the CHENSIVE dash cam offers a 4K front camera, along with a 1440p and 1080p camera, giving you maximum road coverage.
And let's not forget its super night vision and infrared cabin light.
It's like having your own personal paparazzi in the car.
Honestly, both cameras have their strengths, but if you're a photography enthusiast or just love capturing the tiniest details, the CHENSIVE dash cam might be your best bet. Now let's talk about those extra features that make these dash cams stand out.
The SUVCON dash cam comes equipped with a G sensor and parking monitor. It automatically activates emergency recording and locks the footage when it detects sudden shakes or collisions. Plus, its loop recording function ensures you never run out of storage space.
And guess what? It even comes with a 32 GB SD card included.
No need to spend extra bucks. Meanwhile, the CHENSIVE dash cam also offers a G sensor and a parking monitor. But here's the kicker. It provides a 24-hour parking monitor when connected to a hardwire kit sold separately.
That means your car is under surveillance even when you're not around.
Talk about keeping an eye on things.
Last but not least, let's talk about installation.
The SUVCON dash cam is a breeze to install.
It's plug and play, so you can have it up and running in no time.
Mounting it on your windshield is a piece of cake, and the user-friendly display and key settings make it super easy to use. No rocket science here.
On the other hand, the CHENSIVE dash cam takes it a step further with its hidden design.
It's compact, so it won't obstruct your view or distract you while driving.
And the best part? You can easily install the front camera on your windshield and connect it to a power source.
The rear camera? Simple. Just connect it to the front lens without removing the reverse headlight. Easy peasy. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, here's what customers have to say.
Alright folks, it's decision time.
Both the SUVCON dash cam and the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dash cam have their unique features and advantages. It all comes down to your personal preferences and budget. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with great camera quality, the CHENSIVE dash cam should be right up your alley. But if you value all-around protection and ease of use, the SUVCON dash cam might be the one for you. That's all for today, folks.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome comparisons.
And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.